here is an example of the alpine landscape that I was just explaining. There's the trail, the scrub bush that you just previously saw. The wind is howling. Okay, I've made it to the Lake of the Clouds. This is the lake. Hopefully you can see the clouds behind me. It's gotten a lot windier. Hopefully you can hear my voice. I've donned the winter hat and gloves for the first time since the Sierras when I was at 14,000 feet, so it's cold. The wind is howling. The Lake of the Clouds is the highest level camping hut that you can camp at before summiting Mount Washington. So I'm a mile and a half away from Mount Washington, and hopefully I can get up top there and get back down to the trailhead by dark. Okay, here's the rocky climb, the final summit stage to Mount Washington. This is probably the most attractive destination, most popular destination in the range. And you can see the cairns there, right there. And you follow those up, and here comes a hiker down that just Of course it gets cloudy once you get to the top, and you can't even see the top because of the clouds. Okay, I'm at Bridle Path Trail. It's part of the AT, as you can see by that white blaze. And I'm at one of the rockier, steeper ascents of the trail. Let me see if I can't capture it as I cross over my feet. And then now you're going to see the rocky kind of ascent that you take. That's the trail right ahead there. I've got a moderate, or actually pretty easy, 6 or 7 mile day today after yesterday's grueling 18-mile Mount Washington summit. It's been a fun hike so far, and I really needed a rest after yesterday. Okay, today I'm in North Adams, Massachusetts, and I'm hiking a stretch of the AT Trail. This is the first and probably only time I will cross state borders via hiking. And right now I'm standing in Vermont. And I started at Massachusetts Avenue 4.1 miles ago, and I'm going to go another mile into Vermont and probably do 9 miles today. I'm a little bit tired from the Mount Marcy summit yesterday, so this will be an easy 9-miler, and it's amazing how elevation really affects you. I did 9 miles in New Hampshire a couple of days ago, and it was a tough hike. This is 9 miles with really no elevation gain, and I'm really cruising through it. So there is Vermont straight ahead with the AT Blaze, and I'm off for a little bit more of a hike. Okay, I was asked to take a video of the typical campsite where I've been camping, and here is a typical campsite. This fire pit is a little bit more extravagant than the normal fire pit, but you definitely get a fire pit in every campsite. Usually it's a cylindrical, like cut-off tin can. This is a nice cinder block one. You always get a picnic table. You always get a flat dirt surface where you can put your tent. You always get a parking spot for your car. And here is my view. It's always very pretty out here. Right now I'm just out of Woodstock, New York, where the famous Woodstock Festival was in the 60s. So this is in the Catskill Mountains, and I'm going to do Slide Mountain tomorrow morning.